Hello science lover. Do you want to do some science experiment at little to no cost to you? Hey, you are in luck. You can do this experiment. What you need is a plastic bag, a sopping plastic bag, and a balloon, and a scissor. What I'm going to do here in this experiment is I'm going to cut a strip of plastic from this plastic bag. From the center, I'm just going to cut like, my scissor is not that good. Sorry about that. Here, and that, here, and then I'm going to cut a small strip here. You don't have to be perfect. What you need? A strip of this plastic bag. Now what I'm going to do here to this one, I'm going to rub it on my hair. What I'm doing here is I'm exchanging a charge from my hair to this plastic. As you can see, it's trying to stick to my hand, right? So now what happens, right? So now I'm going to do the same thing with the balloon. I'm going to rub this balloon in my hair again, right? So now there's the plastic. Now let's see here what happens. Woo! Woo! What is causing this one? It's a static charge. Again, rub my balloon, rub my plastic, and then get out of my hand. Here, whoo! See, as you can see here, in a circle, right? So now, but if you have a budget, you can do that. What you can do, same thing you can get it from Amazon or Star Wars die. What do I have in here is a battery power rod, cloth, and there are like different aluminum foils, right? So there, as you can see, it's a strip, and here's a battery power. You're gonna charge it. So as you see it attracts. As soon as it touches, woo, ooh, magic! And these are because of electrostatic charges.